Hello, I'm Kat, and my dog's here, hold on, and Jack. But there's no point in the video, there's no point in this video except to say hi to my friend October Girl, and some YouTubers like that, but other than that, there's really nothing about this video. But I have a link in my description, which Jack might be looking at, who knows. But over there, I have a link, and some of my usernames on here, so you can add me personally. And if you wanted to, just go ahead and add me on YouTube after you see the video. But leave comments and favorite. Pretty about me. But no, other than that, just say hi to Talon, Justin, and Crazy Girl. Other than that, there's really nothing to it. But